Hello everyone. Today I'd like to share a news article that I read on News in Levels. Today news is about what's ultra processed food. I'll talk about 5 new words, 2 facts, and 1 reason why I like it new. Let's get started. First, here are 5 new words and phrases that I've learned. The first phrase is ultra processed food. It is a noun phrase. Ultra processed food means foods that is made in factory and often have many added things like salt, sugar, fat, or chemicals. For example, chips and instant noodles are common ultra-processed food. The second phase is impact on health. It is a noun phrase. Impact on health means the effect something has on our body and health. For example, doing exercise have a good impact on health. The third word is food additives. It is a noun phrase. Food additives mean things added to food to change the color, taste, and keep it fresh longer. For example, some drinks have food additives to make them look brighter. The fourth phase is poor health. It is a noun phrase. Poor health means not being healthy or having many health problems. For example, eating too much fast food can lead to poor health. The fifth phase is call for better rules. It is a verb phrase. Call for better rules means to act strongly for clearer and stronger rules. For example, parents call for better rules to keep children safe online. Now let me share 2 facts from the news. The first fact is that the ultra-processed food is linked to poor health. Scientists say it may cause health problems because it often contains a lot of salt, fat, sugar, and additives. The second fact is that Dr. Tulleken wants better rules for ultra-processed food. He believes governments should create stronger regulation and less independent health efforts help protect people's health. Finally, I'd like to share 1 reason why I like this news. I like this news because it helps me understand what I eat every day. For me, home-cooked food is still the best because it is delicious and better for my health. That's all for my news summary today. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.